asked you to teach me, would you tell me your ways? If I asked you to leave me, wonder what you would say. Overthink every baby and maybe lately I've been going insane. Hey, you're a real sweet talker, all the boys and the girls are wishing that they could be you or that they could be yours. And I asked you to help me, you said it was easy. Just turn off your feelings, fuck the heart, you can keep it. So welcome to the Heartbreaker Club. We got soda and drugs for you to numb the pain, but you wish you could wish it away. All of these tears gone, I hope you had fun. I should've known better, I should've. Welcome to the Heartbreaker Club. We got soda and drugs for you to numb the pain, don't you wish you could wish it away. All of these tears gone, I hope you had fun. I should've known better, I should've known better. My bad, I'm fucking with you again. So sad, found out I'm a hot bandit. And you got that look in your eyes, and every word with a sigh. I think I'm making you cry. Someday I'll look back on what I told you and I'll regret it. And I'm not usually this way, I'm normally quite sensitive. I'm overwhelming you, I know I overestimate myself. But if you wanna know how to do it, then you're welcome to the Heartbreaker Club. We got soda and drugs for you to numb the pain, don't you wish you could wish it away. All these tears gone, I hope you had fun. I should've known better, I should've. Welcome to the Heartbreaker Club. We got soda and drugs for you to numb the pain, don't you wish you could wish it away. All these tears gone, I hope you had fun. I should've known better, I should've known better.
Hello. Hello? 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 um, what's up, Nate? Today, today, I saw a bird. Today, we're gonna do some stuff, probably. Um, I spent so much time trying to figure out how some stuff works for Ouch, but now it works. So, right now, I think it works. I actually don't remember if it works or not. Shit. I'm pretty sure it was working last time I did anything with it. But I could be super wrong. I don't know. Um, that's fine. How you guys doing today? L. Working on ouch. On ouch. I'm gonna do something later. What's this fucking face? Leave me alone. Dude, I didn't. When you were talking about how long my hair was, I like did. I can feel it, right? But I didn't really notice it. I haven't like looked at myself, right? But my hair's like touching my shoulders nearly. Just a weird feeling. A weird feeling. Hold on. Give me 1 second. Wait, what? What? Okay, doesn't matter. Um, what were we doing? That's what I'm saying. It's super long and it's not even brushed out. It's preformed. It feels really weird, dude. And they're like, I was just in my face, and I'm like doing this all the time. I feel weird. Um, I don't know, man. Recently, I've been feeling a little different. You know, I feel like a lot of things are changing in my life.
You know what I mean? Just yeah. Rena, how have you been, Tony? How been there? So now you stay. How you doing, though?
Do you know it?
But for now, let's just make plans first. I said, cool, it's a weekday. I can kick your ass in bowling, that's an instant replay. Ooh,
Mm.
can we play? I be trying to find a lookalike.
Are you yelling if I was talking to you?
It's a weekday. Think I'm falling for you, baby. I'm about to
Damn, I forgot I can't hold a straight face when I do things. Is it?
Wishing I could fly to your location. I stay awake, but I see daylight. But I've been loving all the time. Can you place your bed next to mine? I know we got our things to do.
Okay, so this is the new. I'm the new host of the channel, guys. Sorry, I don't know the camera yet. But you know, I'm just gonna be doing the programming for now. And here. Let's get into it. Let's do so count ouch. Actually, I've been working on ouch for a long time. The part of the fizz what you had to show me, yes. This is what I had to show you. I'm becoming an ego. I'm gonna go on CSGO and get boys to pay for my skins. Wait, I've done another one. Hold up.
When I use this one, I have to talk. Wait. When I use this one, I kind of have to talk like a girl. As it fucks everything. Kinda catfish, yes. It's just all like slightly worse. With the model, but I guess it's just anyways. Thus, I trained of Japanese, so it doesn't do English basically. But if I do Wahebawa Megami, it's like almost perfect. 本当に女の子생각도
Yeah, this one works a lot better without me like having to constantly do voice acting. But yeah, we're gonna get rich now. So oh well. Harada. Hey guys. Oh my god. Tony, I need you to get Louis. We can't tell him. I just want him to think. I want to see if I can convince him that I'm a girl, you know? That I've got a girl in my ring, and she's programming. I mean, so hold up. I need to choose a button so you guys can actually see what the fan day. So I've gotten the Kotlin React library actually working. Also, I need to meet it to what I'm here myself and it's driving me fucking crazy. So, yeah, it looks kind of reacting, which is like good enough, but then there's a but actually. If I try to do anything more complicated, it starts making sense to me and I don't like it. The way you have to do the context provider is really annoying though, because the context has to be typed, right? But the way you use context, wait, hold up, let me go over. The way you use the context is by doing Kotlin delegation, which is like this cool little like, it's a cool palette thing. You have to worry about it, but so, or yeah, so anyway, Kotlin delegation is like this. What is that? I get so distracted. Okay, so yeah, so basically we've gotten auth here, right? So auth, this type is the same type as this, as this. And this is the delegation thing that I need to be using in order for the state to actually be updating. And I'm just like not totally sure what's going on with how I'm supposed to organize this with where I need to use a stateful. I need to have state, but I also need functions to change the state from multiple. Wait, if I were to have, let's say, ings, it can see stain, bullying. Right, we've got this. But it's kind of like, see that, okay, this value, this wasn't well. This value here has to be the same type as this create context, right? So I need a type that just takes in a bunch of state instances, I guess. Let me think. Maybe I could do something like this. I could do something like fuck. Wait, what was I doing? I had distracted. Fuck, I got totally distracted. What are we doing? Oh, right. I'll see if I can make a class around this. Okay. So, let's call it like contest container for now, because it's just temp, but I'm gonna delete it later anyway. I'm gonna have some of these like delegates. I'm gonna have like boss del, I guess. Like that. And we can also have like let's call it this, because I don't have another thing I wanna pull in right now. State instance of Boolean. No, like that. Okay. So now I think this should work the way I'm expecting it to. So if I go like this as a context container, and then I can do context container of, and if I go back over to the main thing, context container has no value. Oh, okay, no, this makes sense. It just, actually, I wonder if I can do this. Hold on. No, that's fair. Oh, they're kind of weird. So this is this, like, context, and then we can do val or equal by context all val, and now it works. Well, now it's like functions kind of the way I'm expecting it to, kind of, but now I want to see if oh shit, I can't restart this since feedback. Now I need to see if changing this, because technically this is like syntax trigger over a value container. So I'm wondering if I change this here, it will actually change the state the way I'm expecting it to. Well, we might as well just try it, I guess. Let's do random next int. And let's see if this runs. I really am not sure if it's going to, but we can try. Turn it on. really hope this works, because, like, I'm real. You know? I feel like if it doesn't work, Jonas can be, like, confused. And that's not what I want. Kinda want him to think I'm good at programming, you know? And it didn't even compile. Okay. Beat the conflicts? I know. Like, what? Add a dependency? Fucking. Okay. I actually don't even understand which is like why I did that for. Okay, well, first we can fuck, my brain doesn't really fucking work sometimes. Let's do some stuff. Commits with things were done as the message is becoming the standard to my groups unit now. That is tragic and depressing, but very true to realism. Be very based and real. If you want, I can give them a lesson in like proper commit formatting, and I can be like, oh my god, yeah, I'm like a professional programmer, and you listen to my stream and stuff, and this is like how we can do things the best way, you know. My god, actually really so super like my autism replicate performance to like masking. My masking is like in overdrive right now because I'm like often a different person right now, right? Bro, give me the lesson that I had to watch a YouTube video on how to merge last night. I can help you with like some Git stuff. Though like when Git gets super complicated, then I'm like, well, look, I really don't know what the fuck is happening, right? But prior to that, unreal. Okay, I might go get Jono. I'm gonna like lie down for a bit. But yeah, you guys can go with Jono again for a while. Bye. It was nice seeing you guys.
All right, I'm back. Hello. Hello. I'm a man. I'm a man. Shit. What was I doing? Use. I could do like one big global state. I kind of think that's dumb. But maybe. I don't know. Let's just delete some of this stuff that's actually just making it broken for now, or what I think might be making it broken for now. We can do other stuff later. Also, I know it's not zoomed in. We'll zoom in. I'm like not doing anything important enough for me to like zoom in, so I'm just like okay. Oh, I still have this fucking shit. Oh wow, I was gonna like have a state history and everything. That's cool. We can like save this idea for the context. I'll just save this idea so I can play with it later. I'm thinking of doing this like making like just having this context be. Oh, what am I trying to say? I'm thinking of doing something like this, right? So we do seal. Whoa. Sealed data class. Or not sealed data class. Sealed class. But yeah, no cap. That is not part of my vernacular. Why did I just say that? What the fuck? Anyway, actually though, Nate, if you like, if you want, I will be your, okay, high key, any situation, like, if you're getting a job, if you're trying to get a job or anything, I will be whatever reference you need me to be, you know? No cap. No cap. Joe Biden. But currently, I'd be down to talk. I could like, I was like, I don't know. You like, my fucking brain doesn't work, bro. No cap. You need a reference or anything, or like you need someone to like fake being, like I'll be whatever level of engineer you need me to be to talk to people or to like tutor people. What was I doing? I don't know. I don't know what I was doing. Sealed class, context, container. We can have a. I'll just put an A at that. Made abstract. It doesn't matter because I'm just fucking around right now because things aren't building. They'll probably build now that I deleted the stuff that was broken. But now I'm distracted. So, let me make this smaller. So contact center is gonna have a reducer, which is already in React. It's part of core React? What? It is part of core React, actually. No, that makes sense. No, that does make sense. It does make sense. We'll have tech T is the state, and action will be any, I guess. It's not matter right now. I'll let you know. I was literally gonna ask you and Matt if you would reference me for a job, and if yeah, no, for sure. Matt probably will do as well. Too as well. Too much going on, so that's fair. I'm glad you're like starting to feel like, glad you're starting to feel yourself. It will, but that's good, bro. You've gone through a like the journey I have watched you go on for programming is. That's what I'm looking for. I don't know. It's been nice to watch, I guess. Like you've genuinely like grown as a programmer, and I've like observed that. It's pretty cool. What was I doing? Can I grow as a programmer, bro? I want to know what I'm doing. This actually makes sense. Okay, actually. I'm gonna leave this alone. But there's something there for us to do with. There's something for us with to. There was something with which for us. We can do something with it later. There we go. No problem, grandpa. Unresolved app state reference. Valid, perfectly fair and valid. What's gonna crash now? This is gonna crash. Gonna crash now. All right. Meow. Getting a group for school and seeing. Yes, dude. I feel you 100%. If you talk to Louis, Tony, Matt, Ernst, talk to any of us, I'm 100% sure we'll all agree. The moment you get into like, that was a warning, whatever. You run the Kotlin upgrade yarn lock tab. I've literally never seen that task. Where the fuck? Kotlin upgrade yarn. Kotlin upgrade yarn lock. Anyway, yeah, we like. I didn't really have imposter syndrome. I don't think for programming, but there was nothing more like eye-opening than the years in college that I had for computer science and tutoring, also tutoring for or TAing for the classes. I mean, to be fair, the TAing was they literally were learning programming, so obviously they didn't know shit. But the scale of their lack of knowledge in what is their primary field is very reassuring. So just like, oh, I thought I knew nothing, but you literally don't understand how this works. So my notebook is like half falling off the table. Alright, I got dude, I don't know what the fuck I was just doing. Here we go. Let's see what this does. Oh, okay, it works. That's actually huge. I wasn't expecting that to work. Context provider, value, context container, auth delegate, ID _1. Oh my god, it actually works. Holy shit, I was not expecting it to work. I was not expecting it to work at all. Those who program when they do it for school and those who do it as a hobby, like, yeah, no, the difference is culpable? I don't know what that word actually means. Hold up. Culpable. Tangible is the word I wanted. Culpable means guilty or at risk or responsible for. There we go. Anyway, now we actually have a framework which we can build the front end, or we can rebuild the front end, which is very cool. And also, I'm so happy to announce that I can write my styles in SCSS, and I think it should just get automatically converted. I'm not actually entirely sure, but I'm pretty sure it will. But that's cool. Now that that is set up, upgrade, yarn lock, remove, redux usages. What was I talking about? Anyway, yes. Now that that is working, what we can do is ignore it forever, because I think I should probably go back to. I need to like re-understand how this app was structured so I can replicate the function and make it less stupidly written. Oh yeah, I think I did a bunch of database stuff off stream as well. But I am not gonna go over it. It's just SQL stuff. I don't matter. I'm gonna leave. Got work. No problem, bro. Thanks for stopping by. It was good talking to you. I will see you later. Oh wow, I've already got password verification set up, or do I? I should probably put the authentication stuff in its like own little bubble. We'll see. Man, we've got a bunch of WebSocket stuff to get done. Which is a little bit. I guess we can start with finishing the auth stuff. Especially How you doing, Ollie P? I'm sorry I didn't see you. I didn't see your chat for a bit there. I forgot to open my Twitch. Twitch dashboard. That's what I'm looking for. But okay, we're gonna work on what? We could work on auth stuff. I think I have the benefit of hindsight or foresight. I guess both. Since we're rebuilding something. So I actually know what I need to make kind of in advance. I can just work on it linearly instead of the hodgepodge that I did originally. So I think we will go ahead and just work on the auth stuff for now. Bcrypt, I did this off stream. It's pretty straightforward. You just like install a bcrypt library and then use it. So it doesn't really matter. But we have a way to encrypt strings and verify strings against hashes, which is cool. If we go into our auth ORM stuff, what was this? We've got some tables for auth and transformers. So auth is literally just, oh, we do have some valid. Oh, this isn't validate. This is more of a oh wait, this is validation. The other thing's verification. I love so many words in like cybersecurity are like almost the same word, but it's slightly different. Anyway, I kind of want to use a different auth thing for. It's fine. Where was I? Let me see where we are in this. In setting this up. Jay chillin'. Awesome. No evil? Oh shit. Nice. We have. Hello, no evil there. Experience with all stuff. Do you have users with different access permissions? I gravitated to JWT implementation because all this stuff. Yeah. No, not really. It's pretty much just like this is the simplest fucking setup. It's just logging in so that you can manage connections to multiple servers essentially, or multiple like. Yeah, you can say servers. What was I thinking? What was I doing? But anyway, yeah. Usually, like in my other projects, I've used JWT because yeah, you're right. It's so much more convenient. But for this, I just need simple authentication. There's no authorization beyond if you own an entity, I guess. Wait, what? I actually did all of this off stream and I don't remember doing it. Do I have a registration endpoint set up? Hold up. Oh wait, actually I think I wrote a test for this too. I'm like actually remembering all this stuff that I did. Let me run Docker as well. I kind of forgot I did all of it. Yes. Registration. I'm pretty sure yeah, okay, this is passing. So I guess we did registration already. It might as well have been a different person who did it, because I very vaguely remember writing this code, and it was not very long ago. 5 days ago. I've already forgotten it. Oh yeah, there's no login because I'm just doing basic auth. So you're only really connecting one time to the WebSocket, so that doesn't really matter. It gets more complicated later what you can do with that. I should probably write a plan for when I start doing this so I actually know what I'm supposed to be doing, but that's not entertaining. Who wants a plan? Don't I look like a guy with a plan? Following, content negotiation, authentication. I can at least write some docs. I'll need to write some docs so I can figure out what the hell's actually going on. I don't need to write a doc there. Is it? That's good. validate, return. Ah, here we go. Return. Oops. I cannot type this. Hold on. Shouldn't this be? Oh no. If provide. That should be okay. Registration setup. The WebSocket testing is kind of weird. I'm pretty sure. Pretty sure KTOR has a the web server library that I'm using has a thing for testing WebSockets. I would be surprised if it didn't. There we go. Ooh. Could probably make this. Could make it its own thing since it's gonna be kind of isolated. I think. Whatever. We can just write it in here for now. I'm just gonna write this real quick so I can have a framework to work with later. Yeah, here's the test for the registration. Try that for now. I just I'm like writing tests before I know what I'm writing a test for. Let's look at the old logic real quick for connecting to the server. WebSocket. It used to be, let's see, on connection. Oh yeah, I guess I used to. I'm like using a token here, but I don't think I actually set up a token to do anything. So I don't remember what this is doing, but it doesn't matter. If there's a token reconnect this session. This is another thing. Yeah, okay. Go back over to the server and then do the sockets. Probably set up something like I'm gonna need some kind of asynchronous. I guess that's what the. So I could hold the connections in memory, which is probably fine enough for now. Yeah, probably well enough. So I can have this return something. I can have this return like. I don't know. I don't know yet, but I can have that return something later. I'm gonna need some way to manage all the connections that are coming in, right? Which I've done at least 4 times already. So let me just try and remember if I can remember. Connections, private, connection equals. App of. Auth ID, which is. I guess I could make this a list actually, since it's a map of. But that would be not necessary. I can make it a set. Go to auth, and I want to override the hash function. This is just going to be ID. We do the ID and the user. Username that have code. Why are you mad? Oh, yeah, fair enough. And it doesn't like me override the equals, and class hash code is defined but not equals. Like shouldn't be a bug, but whatever. I'll override equals. Equals hash code clear hash code. Fine. You can add some rechecks as well. Other take if is there a take if instance? No, fair enough. I guess it's not really useful. I wrote two question marks. It's auth and yes, okay. Dot hash code else false. Yes. Other take if it's auth. I think I can actually do this. Oh no, that's ask. I'm thinking of this. I'm actually not sure what how this functions. I think it's just an unchecked cast. Yeah, we'll leave it like this for now. I think of a better way to do it later. There we go. And my tiny little data class is slightly oversized or whatever. Back in creation functions, it's fine. I'm like trying to remember why the hell I had reconnections. I think it's because you only had one quiddity per distance. Which is something or other. Name, ID. Oh, okay, yeah. So each connection was specific to one. Now I'm trying to think of whether I want to do. It's the old way. Hold on. Do I have MS Paint on this? Good, right? Whatever the new paint thing is. Oh, MS Paint? What the hell? Weird. Okay. Whatever. We'll write it out. The way where's the readme? Wait, there's no readme in here because maybe. The way this used to work. Whoa. It is used to work. Was this is gonna be a YAML for no reason. We had user connects to WebSocket. With This is like the most made up formatting, but I don't care. Users connecting to the WebSocket with their name and the existence ID. And then the WebSocket's sending new reconnection stuff. That's fine, doesn't really matter. More into this. The way I think I'm gonna do it now, since we have an auth server already, not an auth server, we have authentication actually existing again. Hello, what's up? Welcome to the chat. Welcome to me forgetting what I was just doing. Okay, the users connected. Like this old. New. I'm probably gonna delete this later anyway, but whatever. Now, what do I want to happen when you connect to the WebSocket, I guess when you're connected, you should still. Alright, let's lay out the options we can work with. We can go with this old, like a version of the old method, right, where we do ID. This is so made up, but whatever. Now we have the user to not. I wish I could write a small 0. Prime, I don't know. Prime works. We have name pass, right? You're actually logging in again for once. How are you? I'm doing all right. How are you? And server is sending back. This should be called client. Done. So now we actually have alt data. We know who we are. The way we can do this now is we can say connect to a WebSocket, a specific WebSocket for the existence ID. Specific WebSocket. This is all conceptual, right? Because regardless of how we end up structuring this, the WebSocket itself doesn't care about which chat room we're connected to. Yeah, we can have it do it this old way, auth ID or auth data or whatever. Or name pass. We're doing basic auth, so we're sending the password and username every time. But if it's over HTTPS, it doesn't matter for security reasons. Blah 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 blah. So do this since ID. I'm gonna shorten this down to XID. So we have it so that when we connect to WebSocket, we're saying, I want to connect to this chat room. This is who I am. And then that WebSocket is handling that. This way. This is how we're going to write notes for no reason. Single connection to single. What? Existence. Will be blind to any other existences, any other known existences. Why not? So this is the easiest way, which is just essentially remaking the old version. The downside, the only real downside is that if I'm connected to one existence, I won't have any idea what's going on in another existence unless I connect to that WebSocket. That WebSocket. Other options, sealed, is to do name pass. Call it root for no reason. We can call it home, I guess. And in this way, we can have it so the WebSocket is communicating any update that's happening throughout any of the existences that the user is a part of. Essentially, option B is how Discord works. Not really. Actually, kind of, yes. Option B is more or less how Discord works. So you can like see events happening in other, like your Discord client knows something is happening at least in other servers. Whereas client A, option A, this first version, only knows what's happening in that one server that you've connected to. And you have to back out and connect to a new server if you want to find out what's happening in any other one. Ultimately, it doesn't actually matter which one you do, right? Because the information that you pass is going to be more or less the same either way. So you could kind of like, if I do this, like A is kind of a superset of B, where logically, like this, the way that we're imagining the structure is that the implementation of the WebSocket handling only knows about one, or only knows that this client is connected to this existence and only cares about those events. Whereas this one is just all of these combined into one. It also changes when you're doing certain things, essentially. Because in this version, we have client connects to like a home base or like a base, a WebSocket connected to no existence, logically speaking. And then you can do like client send, I don't know. Then we can do client sends like existence ID to WebSocket home. And now we've gotten to what A is at, right? All right. This isn't even a route, actually. It's more like... This is like the weirdest formatting I'm coming up with, but whatever. If I'm replicating ouch, the one I want to go with is option A. If I'm adding functionality, that's option B, essentially. I guess the fundamental question is, if you're connected to an existence, should you know about any activity in another one? It's essentially the question. Also, I just realized I wasn't running the bot. Aaron start. Um. This is like a very arbitrary decision. Also, what does Docker want? Update, whatever. It's really just how do I want the flow to go. Optionally, I could not think about this anymore, ignore it completely, and work on the front end. Until we run into this problem again. I might ask Tony about this. Should be back soon if he's not here currently. Can ask Tony about this and see what he thinks since he's the killer author. This is pretty much just a question of if you're in an existence, are you all into that existence, or should you be allowed to like hop between them more easily? I don't think there's any like performance downside to either one. It's really just a design philosophy or design decision. Otherwise, we can just go back to this. Pretty sure we can do set of here. Collection. Set. What I want. Check set, empty set, synchronized, navigable set, synchronized set. Synchronized, thread safe, sorted set, backed by the specific. There's no real reason for me to sort this, so I don't care. Let's just do a synchronized set of mutable set of. I don't have a connection thing. That class connection. There's no way I don't already have this defined. It's not like I've written this 5 times before or anything. But let's see how I handle it here. Let's go reconnect. New connection. Do I actually not? What? Wait, no, that doesn't seem right. Existence. Next public. There was no connection, man. I guess it was a different library, so it makes sense that it's like I did it in a different way. Fair enough. Anyway, let's define this. Connection is what? It is Vance session. Default WebSocket server session. Off? Oh, whoa, what the fuck? Should have an auth, right? Because if the auth updates... Oh, I wish you could do suspend backed fields. That'd be so nice. What We'll just say ID since the ID is static. Doesn't matter. Whoa, was that zone ID? What? Am I tripping? Oh, it's just zone ID. I got Tears of the Kingdom on the brain. And you can have like you can do this. Spend fun action dot get get off. Doesn't need to have get equals auth dot get yes huh? Why is this not a suspend fund? They're not suspending. Makes me nervous, but whatever. Oh, the bot's actually running again. Okay, hold on. Let me box alerts leaderboard. Okay, now things are working again. Ooh, forgot how to stream for a minute there. Anyway, guess this doesn't need to be suspended for now. I guess. Why is this mad? Because I don't have a type. Mutable set of action. There we go. I really want this to be the top of the list. Okay. Yeah, no, that makes sense. I hate having variables. Oh, this can be bad. Not defined at the top. It feels so weird to just have them defined in the middle of nowhere. I don't know. I also might this file's gonna get kind of messy, so what I think I will do is move this connection definition. Or we can ignore it for now. We can move it later. Doesn't really matter. Wait. If it's not suspending, then huh. I really hope this doesn't end up making it super laggy, but whatever. Doesn't need it. You know what I just might do is how are we relationship? I need to know how we're defining the relationship between existence and stuff. So an auth has an ID. Yes. Existence. Liquidity. Trying to figure out where the relationship is. Here we go. Auth ID and existence ID. So an auth is mapped to. Write this down. Auth is the parent of liquidity. There's like I think this is one to many, and then this is one to one. I'm pretty sure there's a specific like thing, but auth is mapped to many quiddities. Each quiddity is mapped to one exist. So in order to get the existence of an auth, we would need to find all of the quiddities that are related, that are children of this auth, and then find all of their existence, which is 2 transformations. Which I'm sure SQL can do in half a second, but I feel like that's dumb. But if we have auth mapped to existence, that's one more piece of state we need to manage. So if we ever leave the existence, then we need to try the auth, which is dumb. But I will not be doing that. I don't think I have the quiddity ORM mapped. So this, I'm just gonna write a to-do test WebSocket. On exit. One more I'm forgetting. On air. Like, not quite how that's yes, so I don't think I have a quiddity ORM set up right now. Go over to, or an existence one for that matter. So, oh, I do have an existence table set up. Is this IC exposed? We don't have a way to get an copy it from. Existence has a name. Why do they have names? I'm pretty sure they were just IDs before, right? Or just random strings of numbers. I feel like it gets less within the theme if the existences have actual, like, names instead of just their IDs. Their ID is sequential. Honestly fine. I'm just like staring at the part of the screen where I knew I needed to do something, but I forgot what the thing was. Oh, I was gonna look at the old code. Okay. Logic. Existence ID. It has a name. I don't think it ever gets used in any way. This project isn't indexed anymore because it was annoying me, but actions, extensions. Wait, what is this? Dang, I'm cool as hell. Anyway, not this. WebSockets. How do we connect? New connection. If existence ID is null, get existence ID. There's not null, sorry. Existence ID is not null. Get the existence. Okay, whatever. Otherwise, get next plug existence. Oh, what the get next? Probably in the DAO somewhere. So it's incredible to me how oh, I do have session info. Neat. Anyway, tell me how hard it is to read this without syntax highlight. Token, get existence, info. Info get token. Token. Yeah, what is token? I like really wrote a definition of tokens. A root? What? Type alias. Token is a string. What is? Whatever. Okay, let me not get sidetracked. Session creation. Let me close all this. Session creation, session removal, data accessors. Get public token generation, logger. Oh shit, it was JWT. I thought it was just string because I couldn't find this exact code. But yeah, okay, so we used to be using JWTs. Generate token. Huh. Anyway, get public figure out where this get next. Well, actually, what I'm trying to figure out is if existence name ever even is used ever at all whatsoever. Because it's kind of looking like it wasn't. Hold on, let me go into the front end. That'll actually be more relevant to the information I'm trying to find. Because I don't think I want. I'm pretty sure this hook with. There. No. I'm thinking existence name never got used anywhere. I'm starting to question why we even gave them names in the first. Yeah, this is weird. Why did I give it a name? We literally only refer to it by its ID. Whatever. We're gonna remove it. It's something we can add later. We can add it back if we want it still. Yeah, it's very easy to add back. That's fine now. That public default. Compose this column. No way this isn't default false, right? I'm questioning whether I even need to index this. We'll leave it alone for now. Don't need that anymore. That should be fine. New question. What were we doing? Alright, let's just commit whatever random changes I've just made. Oh yeah, connection man, which is whatever. DB main. Remove name. What I think we'll do is write the front end for the auth stuff, because what do we... The next logical stuff is start working on the WebSocket stuff, I think, but I want to talk with Tony about how we want that to end up working. Hello, Eden. Oh, Eden. I forgot what I was going to say. Moving on from my lack of permanent memory. I've actually completely forgot what I was doing. Yes, okay. JS main, Kotlin, state. Can work on the state and make it less stupid. Also gotta replicate the UI. It's going to be tedious, not necessarily complicated. So let's discuss how we want the how do I want the state handled on the front end. I'm glad I figured out this context container thing. I'm pretty big brain, if I do say so myself. Because we could use a reducer with actions, but I don't think we actually need to. I think we've essentially done that by using the delegation property. Let's go over here. So, by doing this, by confirming this delegation, delegated property actually does function the way I was expecting it to, and actually changes the overall state. I don't think we need a reducer in any capacity, because what is a reducer is just wrapping this up in a function and sending it somewhere else. So it's like, oh, fine, but not necessarily useful. I saw you got into BattleBit. Yeah, I was so very resistant to touching that game for a while, but it's just like, it's so fucking fun. They fucked up my SCAR 20 a little bit, a lot of it actually, and I take it as a personal slight, but I accept it for what it is. You know, I accept it for the crime against nature that it is. Also, wait, hold up. I want to see. This isn't a delegate. So I just jumped to the same part in the page and then confuse the shit out of me. This isn't a delegate. So the context container. Oh, it's over here. Well, context container, auth delegate. Ooh, I want to like. I want these two lines to be. I don't actually need to think about this super hard right now because it's not actually. But yeah, and this was a good proof of concept, but we don't exactly need it immediately. I don't think I need to do anything with reducers, considering we've got this delegation working, and that's just better and smarter and cooler. It has a bigger penis, etc., etc. Context container is useful though. So it does make me want to implement my own version. Like the state instance has some stuff that is what makes property delegation work. Which is this stuff. I want to save the history of the state, which I don't need to, or really have any value in doing. So never mind. This thought process has led me to nothing. Woo! Let's make a little thing. Context. Thanks. Yeah, that's fine. I'm just separating out this so I can have it for later when I need it. This is going to be abstract. Not abstract, sealed. Sealed class context. It doesn't actually need to be sealed for any reason. It doesn't even need to be. Doesn't even need to exist actually, because what is its purpose? What I think I'll do is I'll just leave this here as a commented out data class so that I can remember how this works later, for when I need to make it more complicated. Context state. Val state. Cool. So this is going to be a 4-line, or possibly a 2-line file that is just a document. Doesn't really matter. That means I can go back here, and we can remove this. Don't actually need it anymore. Yeah, this was just proof of concept, which is good because I needed it, but unnecessary. All right, actually, hold on. Let's do this. Let's do this, and I can make it generic later, but save that so I know what the fuck is happening. We delete all of this, and this becomes auth question mark. This becomes auth. Nope, this becomes state instead of auth question mark. There we go. Okay, nice and simple. This literally is just the state, little like wrapper, parent component for providing authentication information. information to the rest of the app. Now from there, go back to this. Mad. Did I commit it? Oh, I did commit it. Or, and then from here,
Guess we can start working on the auth page, right? So let's open up Ouch.
open up the original Ouch. See what we're working with. This is not styled whatsoever, and I don't know. I do know why. This. There we go. I don't understand what is the heck this is. Whatever. I need to replicate this in Kotlin HTML. Woo. Put this down here. Or actually, let's put this down here. I don't know what the difference is between these two things, but this was the live versions. Work off of that. Oh, we have so much work to do. Okay. Guess let's just start with what? If pages are divided into, there's only 2 pages, right? Whatever. Okay. New Kotlin file. What is it going to be called? Going to be pages / homepage. Homepage is fine. Homepage. I'll also just call it home. I can go less descriptive. Home existence. Yeah, we'll call it homepage. Actually, I already have this here. This year. We will use as a reference for when I need to actually remember how the fuck any of this works. So let's see. External homepage isn't gonna need any props. I don't think so. Fine. Let's just do homepage equals functional component of nothing. No, my god, nothing, because it has no props. Props is nothing. I guess the auth context, well, we're using context, it's not a prop. So yeah, we can just ignore this. That way we don't have this like wandering it. It is literally, normally if I didn't have that underscore, we just have this to access, and it's just, it would be nothing. So that would be, it would be literally the nothing type. Useless. Anyway, I guess the first page should be a login, right? Homepage would just be a subset of the login. I don't know. Anyway, that is what we're doing. So let's if it a little bit. Login page. Rename some stuff. Login page. Just want this. Let's go into this. Icon, blah 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 blah. Header.
Resistance? Wait, what is the header? How do you want this thing? Leaderboard. Empty pdiff? Or is this related? No, wait. I think they're related.
Ah, okay. I'm understanding what's happening. Just your ouch level and stuff. We can ignore all that for now. Kind of annoyed this modal doesn't work in the like embedded browser, but whatever. What else is in the header? What is in this header? What? Oh, wait, what? This is defined in the header? Huh? What is in the body? Huh? What? Where's Tony? Where's Tony?
ID help plus setup is help icon. This is the imports. Okay, it's fine.
Also the question, do I want to do the... We'll get this too. We'll get to this in a second, but I want to think about whether I want the CSS styling to be programmatic or to be defined in SCSS. That's something to think about. Give me one sec. Okay.
Is this defined in that?
Hold on. Let's open this in Mr. Web Browser. Okay. I literally have this page open on him. That was weird. Okay. Wow, I didn't realize how much effort he put into that. Anyway, not in the header. What? But it is? Why? I'm gonna see if I can get Tony's input on this before I go start replicating it. It might have something to do with the way this modal worked. This modal worked. I don't know why this modal's not working anymore. Alright, whatever. I'm not gonna figure out why this is weird, but maybe because he wanted the header to like. Bro, this is making my brain explode. Whatever. We can just get something up and running. Here we go. That's looking. So much stuff in this. Wait, what library was he using for this? What? Is it all programmatic? What is this? How does this work? What is that? Was this minified? Never gonna do something special. Is dial maybe? Which state? Which dark? Which loading? Pop up. Let's have loading. Okay, whatever. We'll ignore that for now. Both commands for some reason. I don't know the reason. Commands. Okay. This is something that gets reused, so we will mouse real quick. Val. And put types in. Form. I'm trying to figure out if this. I'm pretty sure this exact same thing gets moved when you want it to be when we're using it as the text chat input. So we will just call this input, I guess. Text input. Call it command input. Whatever. This actually will need some props. We'll extract this later. But for now, external interface text command input. Yeah, it's okay. We'll call it commands input. Just to differentiate it from the actual, from like a normal text input. Props. Text input. Text props. Input props. I feel like there's gotta be a no, there actually very much does not have to be the thing that I'm thinking. Is this supposed to be an interface? Yes. Okay. What do we got? What do we got? What do we got? What do we got? We make this larger, guys. Div commands. What I'm concerned is whether the commands div is what gets moved around here. I don't know if this gets changed when things I don't know if this gets replaced with other things, I guess is what I'm saying. Box search. Chat outside. What is any of this? Huh? Whatever. Okay. We'll just start with this and we can make it larger if we need. If React DOM, I think that's the one where it is. Okay. Import React DOM dot HTML dot React HTML dot star. Cannot import on-demand object. Oh, fair enough. React HTML dot form. There we go. What does this take any? It does, but not any that are immediately. Oh my. No. Okay. Form does not have a class or an ID, which actually makes this make more sense. So I think this does need to have it contained within a div. The div will have an ID, and more or less just gonna one-to-one this for now. I'm sure it makes more sense to Tony if I knew what the fuck he was thinking when he wrote this. Add a form. Oh, yeah, do I need to add plus to the root div? I don't think so. I don't, which feels weird, but I'm not questioning. Div plus form.
I did not even know that there was joy in life until I started playing.
The extension. What do you mean?
I'm not even kidding. Like, pew pew, brain serotonin.
What do you
Okay.
mean?
Killer man, I like it. Listen.
I think that you've gotten the wrong impression.
Yeah.
You say you love me, but I don't love the pressure. Don't call me baby, I'll be calling you never. Miss me with that shit, I will never be that bitch. You're okay, but really nothing that special. Save your love letters for someone who wants you. I think it's funny, I'm the one you confess to. Boy, just give it up, out of patience, out of luck. In my personal opinion, I'm thinking you shouldn't text me, especially if you're drinking. What would your mama say if she knew you were simping? Bag it up, or yeah.
Okay, I'm thoroughly confused for a second. Hold up.
Roses, the shit ain't my calling. No one told me that I should proceed with caution. So pack it up, boy, back it up. I think that you
We should this. Okay, this is from that. This is also from React. Why is this upset with me? What even was I doing? I don't know. Okay, hold up. The reason I called you here today I lost track of thought. You go here, right? Also, wait, hold on. Give me 1 second. Okay, there we go. If I go here and I look at this, this is all in the header for some reason. I don't understand why all of this is in the header. I don't know if you had a thought process behind that. What the fuck? Gay buns is a crazy emote.
Sorry, dude.
So yeah, I'm just gonna ignore that and assume you were crazy. Okay, okay. Now the question is, why doesn't this work the way I'm expecting it to? Do I need to run create off of this? Because that would be dumb. I feel like that would be very dumb. But I, for some reason, do? This is like, actually, this is legitimately inconsistent with... Bruh, I'm sure confused. Okay, hold on. We also need our auth by use context. Looking at my code. I made an overly complicated wrapper to make it full screen. Because his eyes is starting nice. Because but I don't know if I need to, like, what does this invoke function return? What does this do? Element type invoke. Plus. This within. Okay, so I think I don't need to do. But we shall see. I'll see. Also, but this is the props. I'm writing in the wrong thing. Nice. Anyway, I wonder if there's a type. Nice. Placeholder. You know what this is actually going to need? First thing is going to be placeholder. Placeholder. Oh, please. thought I could do default type. It's not. Why is it mad about val? Property in external should be var. Oh, okay. Var here. Yes. Okay, now I can do prop placeholder. Auto beats. Okay, padding type at header height calc, blah blah blah. Add a dark class to the header. Apparently there's a dark mode. Apparently there was a dark mode, yes. Yeah, I don't know, dude. Our shit was so. I know we felt cool as hell writing this too. ID equals exist input. Oops, class. Class name. Opacity and here. Oh, wait a minute. Oh, what? Oh yeah, the next thing is I still feel cool. Nice. Apparently there's, or what am I saying? I need to make. Oh, okay, there's another reason I need you to do here. Before I get that, I need to figure out whether we're gonna do SCSS or programmatic in Kotlin written CSS. Which looks like this apparently. But I wonder if I can do CSS. There's a way to do style sheets, but I just don't know how they actually work. Because essentially, I can do the style sheet in Kotlin, then I will be fine. Kotlin JS, React, CSS. Trying to figure out, okay, because we have this, like, I can write this. Hold up, let me do this. I can write this. Right? Then we can do CSS stuff in here, which is cool, right? But I want this to be programmatic, controlled by some more overarching state. Which actually kind of means we could ignore class names. I'm not sure. What is style? Styled? Emotion? Okay, yes. It's a styled component. Not what I want. Oh, I'm looking at the wrapper library now. Kotlin CSS motion. I'm down with Kotlin way. It's just CSS. Yeah, I'm trying to figure out if it's literally just one-to-one or if you can do nested stuff. Please do note that as legacy using Kotlin. Okay, so there's a there's a library called Emotion CSS, which is weird. Trying to figure out how to do global. Let me figure out how to do global state style components. Props. Ah, here we go. Changing based on props. Okay, this shit is this I'm reading the like, so I need to read the JavaScript documentation because there's no documentation for the Kotlin wrapper around it because it's just a wrapper, right? So reading this is like this is super JavaScripty. Like they're doing some nonsense type stuff that should not. I hate it so much. What? CSS prompt. I just want to figure out how to write write it with state. Low performance /net theming. Theming, I think, is what I'm looking for. Theme provider. And then you provide the provider, and then we can do use theme. It's a bit verbose. But I think it's okay. Okay, so what we're going to do... Theme provider. Okay. Right back out of this for a second. We need to go to state. And then to do it from the state, we're gonna do theme provider. Theme provider is already a thing. So we just say theme, I guess. It's not really. I think it's state and style, which is fine. Now theme is theme. It's an interface. Why is it always an interface? Okay. Now the question is, I guess we can do objects theme override. Wait, it's an interface, but does this interface have any? Okay. Okay. So, what? The theme is emptiness. Let's check out how the theme provider works. Root component. Theme should be above auth. Theme's not gonna change based on auth. So honestly, I don't think it actually matters whatsoever. So this, that, theme provider. It, this. I feel like this should work, but I'm also pretty sure it doesn't. Or at least I know this doesn't work. What in the shit? I want this to work. I want this to work so very bad. But I don't think it does. So we'll go back to the code. Oh, we didn't give it a theme. Theme equals 3. Oh, dark theme, why not? Theme. It wants a function that takes a theme and returns it. ¿Qué? Outer theme. What? Let's look at Motion React. Global. Theme provider. There we go. It wants. Theme is either an object or a Lambda function that provides an object based off of an existing theme. Function style theme. Oh, here we go. Ancestor theme. It doesn't. Theme provider. Theme provider props. Only wants an ancestor theme. But this how America explained. Yeah, let's just do this. Wrote it in JavaScript. I'm writing this in JavaScript. There we go. Dark theme. Okay. So for some reason, it's what? Old. Can I type English words? The answer is no. Is this nullable? No. So what is the initial theme? Functions note if multiple theme providers are used, the parent theme will be passed as the function argument. But there's no other theme. Parent theme. If no. React component. Additional theme provider added. Function is passed an object, it will be called with the answer. I think this should work. I hope this will work. I've got theme. and the theme is just like there's no. I'm back. I don't think theme provider is a thing. It's a thing in emotion. Apparently. Yeah, I mean, it wouldn't exist. It wouldn't let me do this if it wasn't a thing. Typed languages, gang. Sorry, I'll never do that again in my life. Tell me the color gang. Right, okay, because now we've got val theme equals use theme dot. This is so dumb. Wait, what is the point of this? This is just use state. This is just use context, but like with a bad wrapper around it. Because now we have use theme, right? But theme isn't defined to have any. Yeah. This is very JavaScript. I'm guessing it wants me to like as dynamic. Dynamic. Dynamic is what lets you do the very dumb JavaScripty stuff. Warp. Yeah. Me. Airbus. I wish use theme gave me a type so I could tell it that I'm like this exact. I'm just so confused. Why would this be the way that this? I really don't want to use this as dynamic. If I can go to be like val colors equal This is actually so funky. This is so funky. That's how it works in React. Yeah. That's one of the hard problems of forcing JavaScript into Kotlin or like a typed language is that get this nonsense where it's just like, oh, yeah, just define an object. You can just take whatever property definitions. It might have this. I'd have this. I don't know. Yeah, so I guess the question is literally just how are we gonna type this? That's it. Simple as that. Emotion. Kotlin, React, reload. Okay. So here's the thought process. We can use this pre-existing thing, the emotion library, or I can just make my own context for the style. It will essentially be the exact same thing. because the theme provider is literally just doing that. So we might just do our own little thing. Yeah, it's tedious, but it has a lot of colors, so it should be. Yeah, that's true. I know. Because I already had emotion like set up and stuff. I don't know. Because it just probably came with the leave me alone. How about that? And everything about that. Oh, we've already got a file. So theme content. And this we will need. Copy this. That. State instance. It's not gonna be auth. It's gonna be theme, or it's not. Doesn't necessarily need to be theme because we do still have some CSS like type definition stuff, right? So we can do. Theme contact. Create contact. Props with children. Theme context provider. We can just call this theme provider. It will clash with emotion, but I don't care. It's this auth stuff that needs to eventually get changed out. This is. This is. Word. I don't. I might have to go back and just use the Kotlin CSS library, which probably be the correct thing to do. Oh, hello. Properties, CSS. So style sheet. Interface. There is no God. CSS. What was that? Anyway, okay. Kotlin CSS is DSL authoring style sheets in Kotlin. When writing CSS for the browser, the SVG property is not supported, whatever. Styled is now archived, so I don't want to styled. Okay. Thing I need to remember. This is just a library of CSS properties, right? So, not CSS properties, of not even CSS properties, of just values that get put into CSS. So actually what I want to test real quick is width to the one here. It gives me the. Okay, it's not gonna be useful. I can't do this. So, I'm actually thoroughly confused. Oh. I'm no longer thoroughly confused. Okay. Hmm. That can't be right. Not in a trillion years. No, it's just broken in that. Okay, it's just mad. It's like that. There's no way. Last name. What? Okay. Whatever. Do this. Now it's mad for some other reason. Oh, okay. That was a weird detour. So, we can still do it in SCSS. That way, have like, there's a way to do like dynamic themes in SCSS. I remember this. Hold on, SCSS. Well, I don't remember it. I remember that it exists. Dynamic. I don't remember how great it is. But it's basically we are either. So I'm not sure. I'm not sure how we are gonna do animations, right? I'm not sure how you do animations, by the way. Makes it in an animation. Oh yeah, I like don't know how there's not really a way to do animations as far as I know of. Apparently there's a way to do animations in Kotlin. The Kotlin CSS library. Animations, transforms, shadows, flexbox, grids, SVG. Right, because there's. I think we're just gonna write the style in SCSS. I like the idea of programmatically doing it in Kotlin. What if you just use JavaScript? I'll backhand you. Plus, if I use JavaScript, then you'll start working on ouch, and then I can't have backed by ouch. Kotlin is Kotlin. Yeah. We're just gonna do it in SCSS. Which is cool because the compiler already you can compile SCSS anyway. It's the best. Anyway, what was this? What was the class this called? Exist input class opacity and type text. Placeholder existent. Auto. Off. And then after that, we have an anchor tag for href. Login. Bruh. Login. Type toggle. Last name. Last. Input. Shrink. Opacity. Oh, I know what this is. Sure, there's an if it has an ID, it probably has some functionality that's linked to it somewhere, but it'll yell at me and I will be annoyed. Then we have a div with CSS text center with button and before none of this works, button type equals button. Why is that a thing? Class name equals class submit button hidden. Another button for reconnecting. I will ignore that for now. What's up, Mohammed? Mobile app? No. This is web app. I do not make Android apps, mobile apps at all. Unless it's like, I forget what it's called. You know the thing where you like can download a web app on your mobile device and then it like pretends like it's a native device. Yeah, BD. Not even making any progress. Leave me alone. Leave me alone. We're gonna do this for a little while longer, and then when ever Devin shows up, then we will battle bit for a while, and then that will be the stream. I'm lost. What's happening? We should probably run this and test if it works at all. Or oh, I need to finish the theme context. That's right. Does it even matter? Let me think. Do a combination of it, right? Because we could. Oh, excuse me. We could give them class names that also the class names only be used stuff and that's because I don't know if that's really it. The thing you want the thing to avoid, right, is writing text. Writing text is dumb and bad. Writing things in strings should be avoided whenever possible. Especially this class name thing, right? I don't want to write class names here and then have to like rewrite. I mean, I could obviously I can have these be some constants somewhere, right? And then I just thought of something. Hold on, I gotta go to the bathroom. This might not even be a good idea. Wait, okay, we're back. I needed to write that down before I entirely forgot it. Okay. I'm back. I got a snack. Also mail, apparently. Don't know who from. It's someone trying to get me to sign up for a credit card. Very lame. No secret admirer for me. Only disappointment. Moving on. What were we doing? Oh, okay. So, possible solution I did. Make class names a constant? Yes. Possible solution. Is brain working? Whoa. Let me check how it's SCS. Handling thingy things, thingers, and the bobs. The body class. Yo. Oh. Okay. So, what have we learned? Very little. We're gonna go with the programmatic attempt first, or approach first. First I want to see how. Ba-da-dum-bum-bum. Did I learn Rust? I don't know if you want to. If the syntax seems appealing to you. It is certainly a very popular language. I don't know if no, Nate's not here, but Nate, big Rust fan. I think my friend Matt in the server is also one. Me personally, I do not like the syntax of Rust, but that's kind of it. Seems to. Basically, the answer to any like, should I learn our brain needs. Dude, we'll use a different context. Anyway, the answer to any should I learn X language question is if you think it looks neat or you're looking for jobs in that language. Kind of it. It's not the type of language that, I mean, like, it's kind of exploding in usage, but it's not gonna be like You know, it's never going to be C or C++ or Java or JavaScript, but it's not like it doesn't have use. Or applying it in. Do sealed interface theme. Object dark theme. Let's just call it light theme. Light theme is what the default is right now, so da, 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 da. Probably if the color and stuff also be not programmatic, but typed, predefined. It's readable but not writable. Valid. We're gonna do some funky shit. Second. But I'll get there when I think about it. Really good. Can't override an object, right? Yeah, that wouldn't make any sense. Where is he? Oh, primary. Stop at 2 for now because I don't think about it that hard. Yeah, we can just work with the color for now, and then think about making it more complicated. About colors. Da, da. Variable. Ah, wait, we literally just found all of the things that I need. Holy shit, Tony. Jesus, that's so many. Okay, anyway, is that the color? What's this? Call it. Wait, what am I doing? Hold up. Let's go here, and we will say background. The linear gradient. Is it? That doesn't feel. But it probably is. I just can't. It looks kind of lighter on the right. Whatever. I don't really have a secondary color. What does this dark color mean? Let's see. Okay. Whoa, what's index? Isn't there a color property in Java? The new color RGB thing? Yeah, probably. I need to use a color that's part of this library, or else it's like gonna be a conflict. I'm actually a huge brand. Grab all of those. I'm gonna not do that actually. What we might do. We'll just say forest green for now. We can fix it later. Right now it doesn't really matter. I just need this to concept dark theme colors. Color. Okay, this I might do some weirder shit. So I want theme delegate. I want this to be private. Yes. Private necessary. Here, and then we can say. Oh, theme should also have. No, it doesn't actually. You can make a function called toggle. It toggles the theme. When theme delegate light theme. Why are you mad? Nope, that makes value. Yeah, okay. I can't do the del or whatever. Theme dark theme. True. Yeah, so now we've got theme contents. Theme starts with light theme, and it's mad for a reason. No reason why. Auth context, lol. Theme context. Not right. Since okay, now we go here. Theme provider. Wrong theme. I made them clash from. Import theme provider. Power theme. And then that. Okay. Now, if we go over to login page, out a little bit, so I can see what we can say. About theme by use equals use context, theme context, and then we can put normal stuff in here. Okay, cool. Okay. Yeah, we're gonna work with that for now. We'll expand on the theme. I'm gonna probably call the programming there today. Da, 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 da. Yes, we should probably end. Do you know Polybar? No. If I recall one, status bar. What? Wait, hold up. I'm gonna look at Polybar. Will customize status bars for the desktop environment? Oh, this is pretty cool. Hold up. All right, thanks for showing me. I'm gonna look into this. But yeah, probably gonna end it for today. I was gonna game also on this stream, but I ended up not. So we're just gonna call it there. Good 3-hour stream. 3-hour stream on the comeback. We'll be back tomorrow at the normal time, 3 p.m. Maybe earlier at 2 again. Let's see. Whatever. Yeah. So peace out. See you tomorrow. We're gonna work more on Ouch tomorrow. I might clean this up a little. Yeah. Peace.